Natural salt and sea salt are both types of salt commonly used in cooking and other applications. Here are the main differences and characteristics of each. Natural salt. Natural salt refers to any salt that is obtained directly from natural sources, without significant processing or the addition of chemicals. It includes various types of salt such as rock salt, Himalayan pink salt, and others. Key characteristics and source: mined from salt deposits or harvested from salt lakes. Mineral content: contains trace minerals and elements depending on the source, which can affect flavor and color. Processing: minimally processed, often just ground and packaged. Uses: cooking, seasoning, preservation, and health purposes. Sea salt. Sea salt is a type of natural salt that is specifically obtained by evaporating seawater. It is often considered a healthier and more flavorful alternative to table salt. Key characteristics and source: harvested from evaporated seawater. Mineral content: contains trace minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which contribute to its flavor and color. Processing: generally less refined than table salt, often retaining more natural minerals. Texture: can be coarse or fine, with larger crystals often used as a finishing salt for added texture. Uses: cooking, seasoning, and finishing dishes. Commonalities: sodium chloride. Both natural salt and sea salt primarily consist of sodium chloride. Health considerations: both should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. They both have similar sodium content. Differences from table salt. Processing: table salt is more heavily processed, removing most minerals and often adding anti-caking agents. Additives: table salt usually has iodine added to prevent iodine deficiency. Flavor and culinary uses. Flavor: natural salts and sea salts often have more complex flavors due to their mineral content. Culinary uses: preferred in gourmet cooking for their texture and flavor. Sea salt is especially favored for finishing dishes to add a crunchy texture. Both natural salt and sea salt offer unique benefits and uses in cooking, making them valuable additions to any kitchen.